Uniform Civil Code implemented in the hill state of Uttarakhand. So it begins the first Indian state to implement the UCC. UCC will be enforced from today. Remember, this has been big on the BJP NDA's agenda over the past few years. It looks like that the hill state of Uttarakhand and Pushkar Singh Dhami will go down in history as the name of the state and the CM to launch the UCC portal. Now, this is important. Dhami says, like Gangotri flows, the Gangotri of UCC will flow from Uttarakhand. Ahead of Prime Minister's visit scheduled to Dehradun in the next 24 hours, implementation of the UCC is also on the card. So that's the big news coming in. Remember that Uttarakhand had made a draft earlier as well. Other states are also in the process of making drafts. But to go ahead and say that we will be implementing the UCC already, while the Congress party has rejected the draft, they've called the draft illegal. Congress has said that this is not how our constitution has been, and therefore they do not accept it at all. However, with the implementation that is going ahead, for now, at least for Uttarakhand, history is made. They become the first Indian state, the hill state, to become and implement the Uniform Civil Code. Remember that this has been filled with debate, discussions of what does it do? Does it really hamper one community or another? Ankit Sharma joining me for the latest on that. Ankit, tell me, what is the process that we are expecting today? What does this implementation of the UCC mean? In what ways can it change the hill state of the Uttarakhand?
Good morning, Pooja. Well, the much-awaited UCC is going to be enforced today at 12:30 noon at Mukhya Seva Sadan. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami will inaugurate the UCC website, and it will officially go live. The UCC website has few unique features which shows that on UCC, the marriage registration, the live-in registration, the divorce registration, and as well as the will registration for inheritance and for transfer of property will start registering. Now the UCC will change the dynamics of family laws in Uttarakhand. This has been going on for a while, and there were prolonged discussions with the communities. There were protests around, and it took almost 3 years to come into enforcement. UCC was first promised by Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami on 12th February 2022, and since then the committees were formed, the reports were submitted, and then the rules were finally passed by the Dhami cabinet on 20th January, paving the way for UCC implementation. The mock drill was also done, and now today the UCC website will go live, and it is going to change the perspective of how we see the family laws in Uttarakhand state. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami spoke to India Today on Saturday, and he said that this Ganga will is flowing from Uttarakhand and will benefit the whole nation.
Ankit,
Pooja,
thank you very much for that. Remember, the focus in many ways becomes marriages, marriageable age, a certain code to be followed, and whether does that mean that the religious specific codes of marriages, when it comes to divorce, for example, a living spouse, can you have more than one living spouse? All of that will now be in one draft pattern as in the UCC. And the Congress rejects it, but Dhami and the government of the state believes that this is the way to go ahead for a secular country to ensure everyone goes ahead equally in all aspects. Now, this is, of course, marriage, for example, is only the one part of it. Let me take you through why this is important. Ahead of Prime Minister Modi's visit to Dehradun tomorrow, Uttarakhand is rolling out the Uniform Civil Code. This is the secular civil law, and after independence becoming the first state to do this. Initially, the draft was scheduled for implementation on 26 January, postponed due to the election results. Pushkar Dhami, thanking the people of Uttarakhand. He stated that the BJP under PM Modi's leadership has fulfilled all promises it made, mentioning that the UCC will lay the foundation stone for a harmonious India. Dhami has compared UCC's implementation to Uttarakhand's other holy rivers, saying, I quote him here, Gangotri of UCC will originate from here. Politics, of course, has escalated. Congress has rejected the draft, calling it illegal, claiming that the Supreme Court, if ever reviews the draft, will be rejected. It contradicts Article 44.
ये हमारा संकल्प था। हमारे आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में हमने देवभूमि उत्तराखंड की जनता के साथ वायदा किया था। चुनाव में गए थे विधानसभा के, हमने संकल्प लिया था कि हम देवभूमि के अंदर सभी जाति के लोग, सभी पंथ के लोग, सभी धर्म के लोग जो भी निवास करते हैं उनके लिए, सबके लिए एक समान कानून लाएंगे। सभी प्रकार के प्रावधान किए गए हैं। किसी को भी कोई परेशानी इसके लागू होने के बाद नहीं होने वाली है, सबके लिए सुविधा होने वाली है।
मैं समझता हूँ कि ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण कदम उठाया है उत्तराखंड की सरकार ने। मैं वहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री धामी जी को भी बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ और ये आवश्यकता है और मुझे लगता है कि धीरे धीरे इस आवश्यकता की पूर्ति बाकी राज्य भी करने की दिशा में आगे बढ़ेंगे। अगर हिमाचल प्रदेश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार रही होती तो मैं दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि उत्तराखंड के पश्चात हिमाचल दूसरा राज्य होता जो है वो यूसीसी लागू करने